When it comes to showing up on social media and marketing your business, do you want a social media strategy that simply puts yourself out there, or do you want one that allows you to uniquely position yourself over your competition? I'm going to guess that you want the second one. And in today's video, I am going to help you understand one common reason most entrepreneurs aren't getting there and how social media can actually fail when you overlook this. My name is Mallory Klum, and I just want to thank you so much for being here with me. I am the creator of the Social Media Class, a monthly membership course where we dive in to the latest tips and trends and tricks to grow your business on social media while creating effective and unique strategies that honor who you are. Because not every strategy works for every person. And at the end of the day, even if you have no experience at all, you can absolutely become the master of your own social media strategy. Now, let's just go ahead and dive right into the elephant in the room. The major mistake most entrepreneurs make when it comes to establishing a social media strategy. They assume they know their ideal client. We all sat down at one point or another and defined who we are targeting. Their age, their demographic, their likes, their wants, their needs, their struggles in lives. But did you ask at any point an ideal audience member or your ideal client, what are you struggling with? What are you looking for on social media? When it comes to what I do, what would you like to learn more about? Because most entrepreneurs aren't asking these questions. And what's happening is all of these tips and tricks that we learn about, specifically looking at one as simple as what time of day is perfect to post, actually combat our social media strategies and make them less effective than they could be. And why I bring out the time of day is so important because we love to assume that, say, lunchtime is a great time to post because people are going on breaks and they're looking at their phones and they're taking a little bit of time away from their phone. But if you're working with somebody who can't look at their phone at that time of day, who's stuck in meetings, who is going to the divorce attorney in the middle of the day, or things like that, you're not showing up at the right time for your ideal clients. You're showing up at the right time for somebody else's ideal clients. And understanding something as simple as when people are opening their phone can mean the difference between posting at 11:30 in the afternoon and 9 p.m. at night, when people are actually opening their phones and browsing through social media and liking and looking for more information. What this means is that you overcome this ability to basically say, okay, here's who I am looking for, now here's my strategy, and really hone in on here's who I'm looking for and here's what they need in order to understand what I can provide them in terms of value. And this does mean, yes, you are always creating valuable content, but your content becomes something more than just generic content that other people are creating. You actively understand the plight of your ideal audience and you're giving them the answers and the solutions that they actually need versus the same tip and trick that has been going around for 6 or 8 months that keeps getting put into the rotation because nobody asked, hey, what more do you want to know? And this can allow to more effective means. But the beautiful thing is you can also understand something as simple as how do your clients learn? I love talking to my students about different learning styles because we all assume that posting on Instagram is about the visual aspects of it. But sometimes with reels, it could be completely different. Some people need that voice over learning that comes with TikTok or reels. Some people need to be able to read, but have that visual stimulation that goes through as the video's movement. Some people need a basic image with a description. We all learn at different capacities, and when we can even understand just what it takes for somebody to retain that information, we stick in their minds a lot easier by creating that content and listening to them. I hope that you've learned something today. If you would like to learn more, make sure to check out the link in my description. This is the kind of content that we cover inside of the social media class. And I would love for you to hit subscribe and make sure that you get additional updates on future videos. I really break down content, and instead of posting one video with 5,000 tips and tricks that's 20 minutes long, I post a lot of videos that walk through one aspect at a time, so that way we can really focus and hone in to ensure that everything we're doing works in tandem and ultimately helps us become unique in the content we're creating. I am on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you'll find me, say hey. I love watching individuals thrive. And make sure that you leave a comment letting me know, what are you struggling with most when it comes to social media marketing? I would love to create a video and answer your questions. Thank you so much.